Early Saturday at Milimani Law Courts, IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati with his commission officially launched 3 panels charged with the mandate of hearing the 262 complaints emanating from the just concluded registration exercise of candidates seeking various elective seats in the August 9th polls.
The Commission is responsible for the settlement of electoral disputes, including disputes relating to or arising from nominations, but excluding election petitions and disputes subsequent to the declaration of election results.
The 3 panels handling the cases today dealt with at least 60 cases out of the 262, with Polycarp Igade, an Azimio Nairobi gubernatorial candidate, featuring among the notable aspirants. Igade is being petitioned by one George Bush over what he termed as an abdication of his duties in 2017 after being elected as deputy governor of Nairobi County.
Remember, these documents will go to the High Court. The High Court will fault us for listening a case against Igathe when Igathe was not the returning officer. We know what your complaint is, but for us, you want us to bring to us the returning officer and tell us what wrong the returning officer did.
Others include Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja, who is seeking the Nairobi governor's seat on a UDA ticket, and Mike Mbuvi Sonko of Wiper for the Mombasa gubernatorial seat. On the presidential hopefuls list, Jimmy Wanjigi of Safina Party, Ekuro Okot of Third Way Alliance, and independent presidential aspirant James Kamau are expected before the panels. The trio has accused Chebukati of being biased when he locked them out from the presidential race.
As a returning officer for presidential elections, I'm informed there are some complaints filed against my decisions. So I'll let others be the judge of in those matters.
Chebukati, however, challenged the committees to be fair during the hearing and evaluate all the facts before rendering their judgments. The committee, which will be hearing the disputes until June 20th, will have 48 hours to render their verdict upon the conclusion of the hearing of respective disputes.
I just want to remind them that this is an election process subject to scrutiny, and I urge you committee members to adhere to the principles of natural justice.
Aspirants who will be dissatisfied with the decision of the committee have been advised to seek other remedies that include moving to the High Court. After hearing the complaints, the committee is expected to make a determination within 2 weeks, paving way for the commission to prepare ballot papers and exercise slated to take place at the end of June. Philip Mrutu, K24, Nairobi.